Hmm. Oh my god, I'm a little bit bored, guys.
Yes, me too. I feel so hungry.
Yeah, like I want to eat something.
Yes, I want to eat something sweet.
I think brownies is good idea. What about you guys?
Oh.
Yeah, I think so.
Oh my god, it's very sweetie.
Yeah,
That's
right.
good
Yes,
idea.
yes, okay.
So let us make it, guys.
Let's
Okay,
go.
let's go.
One, melt 50-gram chocolate bars and margarine. 2. Sieve 3 tablespoons flour and 3 tablespoons cocoa powder. 3. Mixer 3 eggs, then add 6 tablespoons granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of vanilla, a pinch of baking powder, and a half tablespoon of SP.
Four, add the flour and cacao powder into the mixture slowly. Five, add the melted chocolate and margarine. 6. Stir until evenly distributed.
7. Heat a pot of water to a boil. 8. Grease the baking tray with margarine and flour. 9. Add the brownie mixture to the baking tray.
10. Steam the brownie dough for 20 minutes. Don't forget to wrap the lid in a cloth so that moisture doesn't drip onto the cake. And the last, serve it on a plate. Don't forget to top it with chocolate jam and cheese to make it more interesting.
Wow!